Keshav Pratap Singh. I am assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, Graphic Era, University, Dehradun. Today we are studying in Advanced Manufacturing Lab, which is developed in collaboration with the Tata Technologies Limited, Pune. This is basically giving you idea about what is today's trend in the industry. Like today in industry, robots are working, prototyping is very fast with the help of the 3D printer, 3D scanner and CNC machines. Okay, these kind of facilities all we have in this advanced manufacturing lab. Okay, and I will let you introduce each machine one by one. This is our multi-purpose robot, 6-axis robot made of KUKA, Germany. It has 3 tools. One is gluing tool, other is pick and place tool, and third one is the drafting tool. Gluing tool, like we have to glue something, like in the windshield of the car. Okay, what robot do? Robot glue in equal spaces, like you can see in this demo. This is a glue line. Okay, it is a sealant, silicone sealant, and it is equally spaced with the help of this gluing machine, and which is rotated by this robot. Okay, then it is used for pick and place or the material handling purposes, and it is also used for the drafting. It can 3D draft also. That there you can see a table which also have a elevation. Okay. This robot can trace all the geometries that we give it to. Okay, this is the control panel, how we can control this robot, and this is the teaching pendant. By this, we can input our program to the robot. Okay, this is our CNC machines. CNC stands for Computer Numerical Controlled Machines. Okay, in each machine we have computer associated with. Means all these machines are controlled by the computer. What computer do? We insert program or doing some codes, and these programs are read by the machine, and machine will run accordingly. Okay, this is the CNC turning machine. Turning machine basically it is work like a lathe machine. Okay. The circular job we can made by this machine. This is a circular job. We made this on CNC turning machine. Okay. All these chessboard are made with the CNC turning machine. Okay. Next we have CNC milling machine. CNC milling machine is basically used for dyeing purposes, like you can make a dye from this machine. This is a 6-axis robot using for pick and place. We also have ASRS system, that is automatic storage and retrieval system. We have laser cutting machine. This is the gantry of the laser cutting machine. This is in your syllabus. I will discuss in detail. This is MIG welding machine. This is also a robot controlled MIG welding machine. It is using a 6-axis KUKA robot and a welding attachment. This is a welding rod. Welding rod is attached with it. That is the metal spool. Okay. The work we are creating here are like this. You can see the welding finish of this robot. These are the control panels for operating the welding robot. This and this. This is the teaching pendant. From this we can insert our program into the robot on which robot working. These are our 3D printers. These kind of models we are made from this machine. You can see the finish of the model. This is a basically a piston of a engine. We model it in the 3D printer. This is a CNC router machine. Basically it is a woodworking machine. We can cut any type of geometry from this machine of wood. Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about laser cutting machine. What do you mean by laser? Laser is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Okay, so basically laser is a radiation, but it is a stimulated. Stimulated means when you are forcing something and it will eject out. That's happen in this, but this is happened at the atomic level. When some energy is giving to the atom, then the electrons is accepted to the another orbit level. Okay, so here we are using carbon dioxide laser. Carbon dioxide laser is comparatively cheap to the other laser that are available in the market, and it is very well tested and reliable. We are also having optical fiber laser cutting machine, semiconductor laser cutting machine, but carbon dioxide are mostly used in the industries. Okay, so let's discuss the main component of the laser cutting machine. This is the gantry area where we are working. This is the touch screen on which the working is displayed on it, and we can control this machine by this touch screen. This is the emergency switch. In any kind of emergency, we press it and the machine stops immediately. This is the chiller. Chiller is used to cool down the glass tube temperature. This is air compressor. Air compressor is used to blowing out the dust or fumes that are happening in the gantry area during working. This is a glass tube containing carbon dioxide, helium, and the nitrogen. Carbon dioxide is the mainly used for creating the laser, and nitrogen is using just giving the excitation to the carbon dioxide molecules to hit out the laser rays. Okay, here the method of laser like that. Laser light is producing here in this glass tube, and the working area is in the front. So how the laser is going from here to in the working area, gantry area. Okay, laser is produced in the glass tube, then reflected by these mirrors. This is a mirror. Okay, they are inclined at some angle, and you can see this is forcing the light rays to the 90 degrees in the gantry area. That radiation is coming out from there, hitting this mirror also, then going to this mirror, and this mirror diverted the laser radiation to the downward into the cutting area. Okay, here we have concave lens for focusing at a particular point. Okay, and this is the exhaust tube which lets the fumes, harmful fumes, to the outside from the working area. Is operated by this software RDWorks. This is the interface of this software RDWorks version 8. Okay, here you can see some menu like file menu, edit menu, draw menu, configuration, handle, tool, model, view and help. Below it, this is for the file menu. Like in the similar kind of office software or some other software, file menu is used to create a new file, saving the file, opening the file. Same like other software, this RDWorks having the same file menu. Okay, then edit, you have to copy something and paste something. You can use this menu, move, zoom out, zoom in, selecting something, path, how the laser is traveling in this machine, it shows the path here, and editing the curves, all this in the edit menu. Then the draw menu, you can draw line, polygon, curve, rectangle, ellipse, text also, point and capture your image. Configuration, this is for the configuring the machine, system setting and the file parameter settings. Page setting means what is the area of the laser working. In handle, this is basically used for processing the image. In this we can processing some image also, we can scan some image. I will show you some image projects. Okay, this is for the handling the image tool. In this software we can scanning some image, like you can see some you can see some fancy articles in the market that are made from the laser cutting machine. In tools we have projector, docking point, these are for the operating the machine. Model, what is the pixel size or the what is the working area of the machine. In the view, we can check or uncheck, like I have system bar, tools bar. Okay, this is used for this. And the help, any type of problem you can search here in the help menu. Okay, like here, this is the drawing menu. In it I can draw a rectangle, ellipse, even I can make a text also. Okay, changing the size of the text, here height of the text 10 mm, and here we have. I can delete the drawing. Okay, if it is not, now I think it is visible here. Okay, I can rearrange the dimension here, like this is around 473 mm by 271 mm. I am changing this 50 mm by 40 mm. Okay, the dimension is changed automatically by entering the dimension in here. Okay, and by what type of operation we can do on this laser machine? We can cut, like this hole is cutting from this piece, this hole is cutting from this piece, this is a cutting operation. We engrave letter on this acrylic sheet, that is the scanning operation. Here this is a project done by a student. Here he is using a dot method for laser cutting. It is here also a cutting, scanning, and the dot operation. So basically we can do three type of. Okay, this machine is work with the help of this software RDWorks. Okay, this is the interface of this software RDWorks. Here you can see the different menus, file menu, like a new file, open file, save as. This kind of menu you saw in the general form of software, like in Microsoft Office you also saw it. Okay, whenever you want to new file, you click on the new file. You want to save your file, you click on the control S, save your file. Okay, this is the edit menu. Like in other software, editing is like copy, paste, cut, zoom in, zoom out. Similarly in other software like Microsoft Office, but their difference is here, draw. In this you can draw line, polygon, curve, rectangle, ellipse. You can type text also. Okay, this is for the configuration of the setting of the machine. This is for the handle, the image. In this we can scan the image. Scan the image means like you see in the fancy items. Your photo is on acrylic sheet like this. This is a acrylic sheet. This is a acrylic sheet. I scanned these letters on this acrylic sheet, and this is done on this laser machine. Okay. So this is for this. This is the tool, docking point, measure. This is for the machine operating. This is the model, like in what area you have to work. This is the view option, means what kind of tools you have to see. Like this is for the drawing tool. This is for the file tools. Okay. And this is for the help tab. Okay. Now come on to the menus here. These are the menus of the file. These are for the zoom in, zoom out. This is for the image handle, BMP, etc. This is for the simulation. This is the simulation window. It will open the simulation window. This is the drawing tools. Like here I can draw a rectangle, ellipse. Even I can type letters. You can see here. Okay, this is the working area. Like I have to do what kind of operation on this machine, like cut. You can see a cut. I can change it to the scan, dot. Okay, let me tell you about these options. Okay, like see, this is a product manufactured by our mechanical student. Here, like I have to cut this hole from this sheet, so I use cut option. Cut option. This is the cut option. Or cutting the hole, or taking out some material from the rough material or the raw material. Okay. And second is the scan. This is the scan. Okay. Scan means like the name. These letters are from the scanning operation. Scanning operation done on the laser machine. Okay. Third is the dot. Dot. You can see the name here, Graphicera University, is right with the help of the dot operation. You can see in the dot form. Okay, so this kind of operation we are done here. We can work on acrylic sheet, we can work on wood, we can work on non-metal things like leather, any kind of other fabric. Okay, but we are not working on metals, because this laser capacity is low. It is around 80 watt. So it is not used for metal working. Okay. Okay, let's start practical. Okay, suppose I have to make this like this. I take a rectangle. I use a letter for scanning purpose. Okay, I want to change the dimension. 150, I want to height of 40. mm, and suppose length is of 100 mm. It is looking bad, looking fine. Okay, so the dimension is 4 centimeter by 10 centimeter. Okay, write some another letters. Okay, make them some. Okay, you want to change the font, you can. Okay, and you want to see how it will look like. This is the simulation window. I want, this is in the cutting operation, I want to scan. Okay, I want to see it how it looks in the simulation. Okay, these are in the cutting operation. I want to change them, like I want to see it in the scan form. I just change the layer and it will convert into the scan. Now see in the simulation area. Okay, this will show that it will in the scan mode and it will come like this. Okay, I want to change this also. Okay, now see in the simulation area, it will also convert it into this. Okay, now I want to see this rectangle in the dot form, like this. This is a dot operation. So I go and change the, and it will convert it into dot. Okay, you can see that rectangle is come in the dot form. Okay. So in this we have to adjust the power accordingly. Like in the cut I need more power. Here the power is 80 to 85% of the total power. Operation is cut and speed is low. In scan 14 to 15% and speed is high at the 100 mm per second. In the dot power is in the medium. I want to raise the power because this is a acrylic sheet, this need high power. Dot interval is 5 mm. At every 5 mm we get a dot. Okay, after this I just click on this start button here and the machine will run. Okay, this is for the overall work, and if you want to process an image you can also do it. If I want to process an image, like I just have to import, I have keep it in folder, ये वाला पार्ट हटाना पड़ेगा, वो बोल दूंगा. Okay, I just import file. It is in this. Here I got my file. Okay, just I got on the scan option, changing the power. Okay, and see in the simulation area you can change this also if you not look like this good, so change it. Now see, I think it's look better. You can do it on your images also. Okay, so this is for here. Okay, this is in our practical and we have to perform it. Okay. As I told you, this is our laser cutting machine, and we draw our practical on this software, RDWorks. We have to scan this, making a dot line of this rectangle and cutting this piece and cutting this shape of piece from the raw material. Here we have the raw material. This is the acrylic sheet. It is basically an organic component. Okay. You can see red light are here over the workpiece. Okay, this is a pilot light just for guiding, because infrared rays is not visible to human eyes. Okay, this carbon dioxide laser is in infrared region. Okay, but it is not visible to us by naked eyes. Okay, this red color is for just highlighting where is our laser going. Okay, this is the chiller. You have always take care of the temperature. This 13.0 and 13.6. This is the current temperature, and this machine is set for the 13 degrees centigrade. Okay, always ensure that the temperature of this machine is below 15 degrees centigrade. Okay, only then you can work it. Only then you can work on this machine efficiently. Okay, this is the control panel. I already tell about this. On this we can okay, by moving this mouse, the head of the laser is moving over the workpiece. You see over there. Okay, this is the display. What is the working going on? You can change power from here also. This is for the frame, what dimension of the work you are doing. This is just the handling the laser head, up, down, left and right. Okay, when you have to going away from the file, you have to just press escape. Okay, entering the file and doing the work. Okay, this is the basic key. This is the emergency switch. Okay, all things are okay, and my laser is on the workpiece. I just simply click on this start button. Okay, I click on it and laser is moving there. Okay, I want to stop it. As I told you, here we have the practical. We have to scan this, dot this line and cutting this piece from this worksheet. Okay, now just simply all the settings are ready. I have to on the exhaust. All settings are ready. I on the exhaust. Temperature are below 15 degrees centigrade, in the range of 13. Okay. So I can start my work. Here on the software RDWorks, I just simply click start button. Simply click on the start button. Now machine start working. Always doors should be closed while working of the machine. Never touch machine without permission of lab in charge or any your guide. First it is doing scanning operation. Now it is doing scanning, dot operation. Scanning operation is completed. Now it is cutting. Cutting is completed. Take out your workpiece carefully. Now this is your practical. This is your practical work. This is your practical work.